How do you make a new audio file in Adobe Audition? The easiest way to make a new audio file in Adobe Audition is to go to File, New, Audio File. Here we can label the file, such as My Recording. We can choose our sample rate, everything from 192,000 down to 6,000. 48 is a good place to be because this is way above what any human ear could discern. We can choose if we want to use a mono or a stereo recording, or a 5.1, or a custom channel mapping. You can also choose the bit. Often you don't need all 32 bits, and you can use 24 and have much smaller file sizes. This is up to you depending on your application. Also, if you're doing voiceover, you only need to record a mono channel because you don't need all the information from both channels. Again, this is depending on your particular recording situation. Once you've picked everything that you want for your new audio file in Adobe Audition, select OK. You can see the audio file up here, and this asterisk shows that you have not saved the file. Now you could do anything such as record, and then Audition will record your audio file directly into the playhead right here. And then in Audition, you can highlight parts that you don't want and delete them. Once you're ready to save it, press Ctrl S or Command S to save. Then it'll give you a dialog to save it. By default, it's going to save it as a WAV PCM because this will keep everything lossless, but it does result in large file sizes. Pick the file format as you want, and then press OK. Hopefully you can create a new audio file in Adobe Audition. Happy recording!